In response to the ever-increasing competition in the passenger car market, Skoda presents the new Skoda Felicia. The Skoda Felicia construction incorporates many improvements over the Skoda Favorit. Modern technology in the production processes has contributed to the high level of results achieved in both reliability and comfort in the Skoda Felicia. At first sight, the improvements to the bodywork can be seen. The construction of the bodywork is in response to aesthetic design, safety, aerodynamics, and the prevention of corrosion. This new design takes into account the most recent world trends in these fields, and as a result, the Skoda Felicia can be introduced as a top-quality family car. For aerodynamic purposes, the surface of the bodywork is smoothed and is perfectly dimensioned. This, of course, has a major impact in the reduction of fuel consumption and noise. The car's wedge shape is emphasized by the large windscreen, which provides excellent vision. And thanks to the shape, there are large doors for ease of access. The modern design is continued in the new shape of the headlights, which are narrow and blend into the wing. The new shape of the bumpers contributes to the car's streamlining, with the front fog lamps incorporated into the front bumper. The exterior mirrors have been designed to form part of the aerodynamic design. The new type of filler cap has been designed to reduce the emissions of petrol fumes when refilling the vehicle and fulfills all the current requirements. The filler cap, which is threaded, is located under a hinged cover. Unlike in the Skoda Favorit, the radio aerial is located at the rear of the roof panel and is of the active type with an amplifier. At the rear we find the fifth door spoiler, large rear lamps with a deep bumper and the Skoda badges. Technical data. Length 3,855 mm. Height without load 1,415 mm. Wheelbase 2,450 mm. Front track 1,420 mm and rear track 1,380 mm. The basic luggage compartment capacity is 272 dm cubed. The fifth door is equipped with a new push-button lock. The bodywork improvements arise not only from the requirements of the design, but also from aerodynamic considerations and passive safety requirements. For these reasons, some of the bodywork structures have been strengthened. For example, the door pillars, sills, wheel arches, and the windscreen frame. A tubular brace has been mounted into each of the side doors. These improvements and others have a significant impact on both the driving qualities and aerodynamics of the car. This is clearly illustrated by the reduction of 19% in the CD value. In order for the Skoda Felicia to succeed in a highly competitive market and to achieve high customer satisfaction, there have been major improvements in corrosion prevention. These include the use of some galvanized parts, thanks to which it passes the demanding Volkswagen anti-corrosion tests. Modern robotic technology is used to carry out the sealing of the bodywork. As a result, the Skoda company is able to provide a 6-year anti-perforation corrosion warranty. Of course, the Skoda company has also adapted to the latest tough ecological requirements. For this reason, Skoda has started to develop a program for the recycling of individual car components. It is essential for the fulfillment of this program that the components can be easily dismantled and material identified. In the Skoda Felicia, all the major plastic components are produced from polypropylene, which amounts to 43% of the plastic used in the car. Most of these parts can be recycled without further reprocessing. Let's now look at some of the other improvements. The Skoda Felicia is equipped with an aluminium Skoda engine fitted with a single-point Bosch monomotronic injection system and closed-loop catalytic converter. This system satisfies the new emissions directive EU 93/59, which comes into effect in January 1995. The new control unit, fitted with an all-aluminium case, has revised programs which allow for faster preheating of the catalytic converter. Improvements have been made to the activated charcoal canister and solenoid valve, which now has revised operation. The control unit fuses and fuel pump relay are positioned on the main fuse relay board. As you can see, the engine has been improved by a number of other technical improvements, including the new design of the dipstick and holder. Engine fault diagnostics can be carried out using the VAG 1552 equipment. The quality of the drive assembly is also greatly improved. There are a number of important changes aiding driving comfort, including the drive assembly mountings and rubber bushes. The mountings on the transmission housing are of a completely new design. The clutch release lever is in a new position and is operated by a revised Bowden cable. The gearbox incorporates a number of quality improvements for a more refined selection of gears. Examples of these include the gear lever mounted in Teflon sleeves, revision to the geometry of the internal change mechanism, the selector arm has an alternative profile, and the gear lever is reduced in length by 25 mm. Thanks to all these improvements, the force required to change gear has been reduced. The track control arm of the front axle is mounted using a new resilient bush which decreases vibration in the front axle and improves driving qualities. These changes in the revised front wheel geometry greatly improve driving comfort. To complement the front axle changes, an anti-roll bar has been added to the rear axle. The brake system has a few very important changes in construction. The servo and brake master cylinder are of a new design. The version is about 1.1 kilograms lighter and is of a smaller volume than the previous type. The servo diameter is increased to 9 inches and consequently provides a decrease in the brake pedal operation force. The tandem master cylinder is built into the servo and incorporates a revised positioning of the connections and a new shape of brake fluid reservoir. The handbrake lever is also improved, reducing vibration. Before moving on from the chassis, we should not forget to mention the improvements to the construction and operating characteristics of the dampers and springs. The car electrical system, of course, also contains a lot of innovations and improvements as a result of the increase in demands for greater comfort and ease of operation. The wiring looms are equipped with new types of multi-pin connectors, which ensure the highest possible quality and reliability of the particular connections. The individual contacts are firmly positioned in the multi-pin connector housing. To dismantle the connectors of the Skoda Felicia, it will be necessary to use the new set of special tools. The relay fuse board is of a new design using pressed strip technology. This improves the reliability of individual electric connections. One novelty for Skoda is the X relay. When starting, the X relay disconnects the following electrical systems: screen wipers and washers, heater fan, fog lights, headlights, rear lights, and the electrically controlled exterior mirror. The heater is of a quite new air regulation design, with an increase in heating performance of 30%. Still greater comfort is achieved with the new adjustable heater outlets and 4-speed fresh air fan. The wiper system has also been improved. The windscreen and rear washer system is equipped with a reversible pump to operate both circuits, whilst new designs of hoses and nozzles carry out the distribution of the water. Thermal fuses are used to protect the wiper motors from overload. This automatic resetting protection is convenient in winter with falling snows and frosts. The construction of the new headlamps, with the indicator light clearly visible from the side, enable the easy replacement of the headlamp glass. This is very important from the point of view of service repairs. The heated rear window and exterior rear view mirror contribute to greater ease of driving. You can find all the technical information in the new set of service manuals. The modern style of dashboard incorporates a new instrument panel with warning lamps, which are clearly visible by the driver. The switches and indicators have been designed using up-to-date technology for greater accuracy and higher quality. All the plastic parts are stronger in design. The steering wheel is of improved design, with increased impact resistance, and incorporates a horn switch. The high quality is evident in the new multi-position switch. The instrument panel can be easily removed. Here are some brief instructions. First, remove the plastic covers at these locations. Remove the 3 screws from the central area and the 2 screws at the outer end. Now the assembly can be removed. The seats can be considered as new assemblies, with new materials for improved passenger comfort and safety. The seat adjuster is one practical improvement. A second is the lock to prevent inadvertent removal of the head restraint, as well as the height adjustable seatbelt mounting. These all contribute to increased comfort. The newly designed interior light is more effective, and the interior rear view mirror is now mounted on the windscreen. The head lining is designed as a panel, which thanks to its construction provides improved thermal and acoustic properties. This design also enables easier assembly and removal for servicing. Hand grips at the sides of the roof rails conform to Volkswagen standards. You'll find all the necessary information in the owner's handbook. The Skoda Felicia will be available with special accessories, such as a central locking system, immobilizer, anti-theft warning system, aluminium wheels, sunroof and radio. Skoda is currently programming further optional equipment to increase both passive and active safety, such as an airbag and ABS system. All these improvements will be gradually introduced beginning in January 1995, and you'll be informed about them without delay. We hope that the Skoda Felicia fulfills the most demanding of customer requirements, and that you have found this video enjoyable and helpful.